India Ratings downgrades Kitex Garments Rs 347.98 crore bank loan facilities to IND BBB plus negative. What changed? India Ratings downgraded Kitex Garments bank loan facilities of Rs 3,479.80 million to IND BBB plus negative Ind 2 from. Here's the detail. Kitex Garments informed the exchanges that India Ratings and Research has downgraded the credit rating on its bank loan facilities of Rs 3,479.80 million, Rs 347.98 crore. The downgrade comes amidst a challenging operational phase where the company posted 4 consecutive quarterly net losses, with TTM revenue at Rs 629 crore rand. The key numbers. Bank loan facilities rated, Rs 3,479.80 million. Facilities versus TTM revenue, -55.3%. Assigned rating and outlook, IND BBB plus negative Ind 2. The highlights. Credit rating on Rs 3,479.80 million, Rs 347.98 crore, bank loan facilities downgraded to IND BBB plus negative Ind 2. The rated bank facilities of Rs 347.98 crore represent -55.3% of the company's TTM revenue of Rs 629 crore. Why it matters? A credit downgrade with a negative outlook increases the company's borrowing costs, may tighten working capital credit availability, and signals ongoing credit risk. In the short term, negative sentiment overhang on the stock as credit rating downgrade confirms balance sheet. Longer term, higher funding costs could weigh on margins and profitability unless operating utilization and US export. Risk flags. Risk of higher borrowing costs and interest expense. Negative rating outlook indicating risk of further downgrade if losses persist. What to watch? Monitor any increase in Kitex Garments borrowing costs, operational turnaround in quarterly exports, and progress on cash flow generation. Full analysis on flashfinance.news. Educational analysis, not investment advice.